Hi friends, how are y'all today? I am back with my new vlog. Well guys, today's vlog is as new as it is meant to be. Well, what I mean is, it is absolutely new in the style that I'm going to use today. Well, I would say that I have used cord sets before, but I haven't used this kind of cord set which I'm going to use today. Well, what I mean is, cord set is a coordinated set in which we have similar top and a similar bottom. So definitely these kind of coordinated sets I have used in my previous vlogs and designed, but maybe with something like a one shoulder kaftan and a one sleeve, or maybe something which is more Indo-Western. But today what I'm going to use is typically a coordinated a cord set, which is going to be in a pattern of a shirt, as in a collar and a shirt and then a nice pant below. So that's the difference that I'm going to use today in a cord set. And well guys, cord sets are used in various kinds. Some people like to wear a cord set which is print to print, and some people find that they find it like it's nice. Printed cord sets are nice, but somewhere if you use plain fabric, I don't know, if it's my personal take, a plain fabric cord set I find looks more dressier than a print to print. So I wouldn't use the term that a cord set can look very casual if it's print to print, because it's everybody's personal choice. So I wouldn't go on those lines. But yes, if it's a plain coordinated set, as in a plain top with a nice plain bottom, it can look absolutely stunning. And that's my all-time favorite. I love wearing cord sets in beautiful fabrics like satin and flowy fabrics with putting liners inside, which gives a beautiful satinish, silkish touch to the outfit. That's what I love. And emphasizing it with some beautiful buttons. Either you can make it with a nice shirt collar, or you can make it with a beautiful stand collar. That's all on you, how you want your cord set to look. But trust me, a coordinated set looks absolutely beautiful. And a little fashion tip that I would like to share today with you beautiful people about cord sets is, guys, if you think that you are heighted, which is more than 5 feet 5 inches, and you are okay with a certain length of cord set, then don't try to make it too long. What I mean is, if you are tall enough, that is above 5 feet 5 inches, then maybe try to give yourself a certain length in a cord set and keep an apple cut. What I mean is, the sides would be shorter and the center would be long. That can look really nice, because cord sets look very good if it's in a certain length. And you can use the pants also, some variations. Sometimes people are using beautiful bell bottoms. That also looks nice. So I think I'm going to use a nice bell bottom for today's creation. And if you think you're heighted less than 5 feet 5 inches, then maybe you can have your cord set in a straight cut and not very long again. So if you think you're tall enough, then go for an apple cut and try to keep a length certain and shorter on the side. And if you think that you don't have that certain tall height, then try to keep a little straight and shorter cord set, a shorter top. That could look really nice on you and make you look more appealing on your length. So these are the few cuts and bits that I always share with you beautiful people about how you can dress in a certain way. Because when we go for a longer upper portion, then it cuts off your height if you are not that tall. So try to maintain a certain height of your top if you think your height is lesser. So guys, these are the few tips, and yes, we will be going shopping for the fabric. I will be designing it, explaining it to Master G, and then finally revealing the look. So without wasting time, let's go. So here I am in the fabric store, and as I'm looking out to pick up a fabric which will be plain in shade, these are the various options available, and I'm thinking to go for a nice earthy color. These are looking really good to me, like the mauvish and the brownish and the grayish. They are also beautiful. And this champagne color is also looking beautiful. Gray is looking absolutely nice, a steel gray. I'm somehow liking this beautiful champagne color, which I guess will look really, really nice once it's done. And this is the one I think I'm gonna go for because it's got a beautiful shine, and when I put a nice liner inside, it's gonna give a beautiful effect, as I absolutely wanted something flowy. Even the whites are good, even the navy blue is good, but I want a earthy shade for today. So I guess this kind of champagne color is really, really good for today. And once I am done with the fabric picking, I'm here to just check out the buttons for today. As I said, the quad set would have a nice collar and a beautiful metallic buttons. So guys, as I have picked up a nice earthy shade, I'm not going to pick up the wooden buttons because wooden buttons look very good if it's a cotton fabric. My fabric is shiny, silky, satinish. So I guess I'm going to go no mother of pearl. I think this is the one I'm going to go for, as in these metallic buttons. They are definitely big in size. So even if I put like 6 buttons, it's gonna look really nice. And this kind of button is what I'm looking out for, maybe something in a nice dull gold. And there are these beautiful options available, so I am just browsing through what can look good. There are these goldens, and this one is just perfectly matching. It's got a tinge of black, it's got a absolutely matching metallic tone to the fabric, and I think I am quite good with the one which I just showed you all. So I guess the buttons are done for today. And now guys, I am here in my store to do the sketching bit for the outfit. So of course, once I have picked the fabric and I've picked the buttons, that is the accessories, I always come to my store and do the sketching and explaining to Master G about what needs to be done. So for today guys, what I'm doing is I'm going to keep a half button putty which I have drew, and I am going to put some styling on the sleeve, as in I'm keeping a bell sleeve, but on the bell sleeve I'm also putting in a slit. So it's going to be a full sleeve, but I am keeping it with a nice bell sleeve and a slit. I'm just making a note of the pants that I'm putting in. As I said, I would be adding some flare to the bottom of the pants. And the length of the pant I'm keeping is 39 inches. Because if I wear it with some heels, it should look absolutely nice and long. It should not be ankle length. And the bottom I'm keeping is around 25 inches. It's going to be flary, and I'm going to put a liner inside because the fabric is see-through. And the cut would be umbrella, half umbrella, because as I said, I'm going to keep the sleeve quite flowy. I have mentioned the length of the top, which is in the center. The sleeve elbow would be 12 inches as you see, and then the bell sleeve would be added to it. These are the buttons that I'm adding to it, and there would be maybe some hooks inside for one to wear it. It's going to be in a nice apple cut. So 35 inches is in the center, and the side would be 25 inches, a difference of 10 inches, so it gives a nice cut. Here is the complete look of the outfit guys. As you see, as I said, that quad sets in plain shades look absolutely beautiful and stunning, and can be worn even for a formal wear, semi-casual, casual, anywhere. If it's a plain quad set, it's styled well, it can really look nice and beautiful. So I haven't gone for a shirt style, but I have taken center pleat and I have put like a button putty. It's giving a beautiful flare on the top, and if you see, the sleeve is nice and flowy, and it's got this beautiful slit. So this is the complete look of the coordinated set. That's the quad set, and the color is looking so beautiful, which is a nice champagne color. If you are liking it, then please pick the fabric up and design something similar for yourself. I'm Krisha Sidwani. Take care and do share with your friends. Bye guys.